I am Erich Marculencia, your anchor for today's news. And today, a grade 8 student, Neil Carmelo, collapsed and passed out with a clutch in his stomach. Authorities found the CCTV footage of where the incident happened, and one witness was interviewed after. This is Mr. Alano coming from your end. Mr. Alano, are you there?
Yes, Miss Marcolencia. Here I am where Neil Romano has fainted and lost consciousness near the SXS building. At exactly 2:14 p.m. before the class hours ended, he suddenly fainted and lost consciousness. Some individual, about 20 minutes, found his body laying on the ground. And here is the CCTV footage of about Neil Romano suddenly lose consciousness. And now, we will interview one of the witnesses who saw Neil Romano suddenly lose consciousness. So, what did you witness and what did you do?
So I just walked by and I thought that something was wrong. So then I turned my head and I saw him lying there unconscious. I tried to talk to him but he was unresponsive.
Okay, thank you for answer.
So our patient is a 14-year-old boy. He had a failure in his digestive system on the spot. You see, our digestive system is responsible for breaking down food, absorbing the nutrients from the food, and removing waste from our bodies. The mechanical processing of the digestive system is the physical breakdown of food into smaller pieces without changing its chemical composition. Secretion is the breakdown food with changing of its chemical composition. Digestion is breaking down food. Absorption is the small molecule products from digestion taking up. And exertion is elimination of waste. Your diet affects your digestive system. If you do not have a healthy diet, it can affect your physical, mental, and how your body acts throughout the day. Turns out our patient suffered from severe food poisoning and it took a while to kick in. But do not worry, our patient is as well as his rescues.
And that is the report for the incident today. Again, I am Ryan Alano. Back to you, Miss Merculencia.
Thank you for that, Dr. Gumayugan, Mr. Alano. Just a gentle reminder to you all to always observe the food we consume. Once again, I am Erich Marculencia, your anchor for today's news. See you again.